guys, Chris Camaro here. Got another video. This time I bought a pressure washer to do some details for my business, C's Customs Detailing. So here we go. It's a Homdox pressure washer. Looks like a robot. The model is going to be JQM18001J. Seems pretty cool. Box isn't broke or anything. So let's open it up, see what we got. Alright. So I took this foam thing off the top. Here's your directions, some screws. Some assembly required, right? That's the part they don't tell you. There's a handle. A mini screwdriver, which is cool. No, I'm on tool. Some other parts. Not sure what that is. This is the soap dispenser. You put the soap in there, attach it to the gun, and away you go. There we go. Got the hose. Got the one end there, another end right there. We have the wand. This is the reason I bought it. All the different attachments. I think that's it. Now you gotta get the big piece out of here. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. Alright, so we got the cord. Got the reset, test buttons. Pretty long, it looks like, which is awesome. Alright. You got this on-off switch. This guy, I'm not sure what this guy for. Yeah, I'm not really sure yet, but that's where the hose goes in. You got hearing, 98 decibels, which means it's probably pretty loud. This is where your garden hose goes in. Alright. And then we'll take it step by step, put together. Alright, so we got page 1 here. Gotta find the step 1. Alright, here all our pieces. And yeah, it came with this. Right here, which is right here. I don't know what it's for. It says number 1. Oh, nozzle cleaner. Alright. So, step 1 is you put the nozzle together. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so this seems pretty easy. Just slide this into the hole. It's harder than you think with one hand, but 2 hands is easy. Alright, so you're going to put this in the hole, just like so. Then, let's see that. Push down and turn it. Okay. Alright, step 2. We're going to put all this other stuff together. Screw to the which is what? Exactly. I don't know. Oh, I see. Okay, see, so they don't tell you that. So on the side, here and there, are these pieces right here, which looks like it goes on this side. Come on. Oh, okay. Like that. this one, the single, goes on the side of here. Alright, that's it for that. Alright, now, I'm trying to figure this handle out. Which is very... What? Yeah, give me a minute, guys. I'll figure this stuff out. Okay, so I figured it out. This is different than this. So they're two different models. So we have this one. So you're gonna put this thing like that. You're gonna take a screwdriver and your little screws. And you're gonna put one of those screws in each of the holes right here. Okay, so you're gonna take the long screw, the long two, there should be two of these, and that is what you're gonna use for these. It's gonna take a little screwing, just like you're doing to your girl. You're gonna put that together right there. As you do it, it'll pull it together, so you don't have to worry about it. But anyway, keep going like that till you're done. It's very difficult to do one hand. It's working. Yeah, it's getting better. Then you're gonna go to step 3, which is the hose. Let's see. So this guy, I told you, goes into the body. This machine here. So let me push this together. Give me a minute. Put this on, but whatever. So you're gonna clip this together. I think you just push it together, which was literally that simple. And then this is the on and off is to pull this out. And you can on or not, or that's the on-off button. I don't know. I'll have to play around with it, but oh yeah, okay, there you go. And then you just push that back. Exactly, yeah. There you go. Okay, step 4 is you attach this to the. Break it down here. Okay, same thing. Give you a release tab, that's that. So, try to do this one there. That's it. Okay. And we got step 5. If you want to use the detergent bottle, you take your nozzle off and you put this guy on. You put foam, soap in there, you put whatever you want in there. Put your grandma's old shampoo in there, whatever you want. That's it. So, all this crap is pretty simple. So, bunch of crap, but then actually we're not done yet. No. We need to put this guy on there. Somehow. No. Like that. Doesn't make sense. But that's right. I think it goes that way. Alright, so this guy only goes one way. If you can tell, this is wider than up here, so you cannot flip it over. This goes towards the front, go this way. Put your 4 screws in, and you're done. Alright, so now we put that all together. Like and subscribe, and come back for some more videos. Chris Camaro signing off.